Is localized multimedia utility logic reporting the Mmtools Library DLL is missing? I'm Sophie Chen, a senior Windows developer. I've identified the library gap and have the professional fix ready. While we explore the technical guide for Mmtools Library, you can access a professional tool for managing complex library dependencies. This is the Mmtools Library, frequently associated with legacy multimedia suites like older Magix or Sony Creative tools to handle specialized waveform editing and video splicing routines. It provides the hardware abstraction logic for legacy capture cards. If missing, video editing tools will report that no multimedia capture device was found, or will crash when attempting to import media assets. Now that we've covered what the file does, let's jump into our first fix. Unlike Windows core files, Mmtools Library DLL belongs to the specialized localized multimedia utility logic environment, and you must reinstall the software that is failing to load to rebuild the internal library links and stop the error. In cases where the official installer remains ineffective, we must escalate to a manual review of your system's active runtime state. A full system restart ensures that no background processes are currently locking the Mmtools library file. A fresh boot allows Windows to reinitialize its library map from a clean state. Take a second to bookmark this page or hit the like button before restarting. That way, you can easily resume this guide once your system has finished rebooting. Restarting is our first line of defense. Since that didn't clear it, we'll dive into more specific settings in step 3, and if you need to pause the video to catch up, go right ahead. If the library remains missing, you should manually clear the program's cache and then download the latest build from the developer's website. Removing the old application data before running the new setup ensures that your DLL file is correctly placed in the root directory without interference from legacy files. Why are we doing this? Well, many applications will try to use existing local data even after a reinstall, and manually clearing the folders forces the software to establish a fresh connection to its dependencies. Before you proceed, let's touch on the essential safety standards for handling shared library files. From a cybersecurity perspective, I must warn you never to download files like Mmtools Library DLL from unofficial repositories, as these are often bundled with malware that can compromise your system's data integrity. To ensure your environment stays properly configured, a professional diagnostic can help verify that your library references remain intact. If library conflicts or resource allocation issues are present, the link below provides general information on managing Mmtools library dependencies. I'm Sophie Chen. If we've successfully stabilized your environment and resolved Mmtools library error, please subscribe and join our community of technical professionals.